Soils are vital for the existence of many forms of life, including humans. They provide plants with a place for growth and the nutrition they need to thrive. And plants are the basis of virtually all food chains. As you watch this video, think about: what is the composition of soils? Soils are composed of broken up rock and organic material that have combined over thousands and millions of years. About 90% of most soils are composed of rocks and minerals that have been broken down over the years by weathering and erosion. But the key ingredients are organic material such as roots, bacteria, fungi, decaying plants and animals, as well as living organisms. This is what gives the soil its nutrition. With time, soils develop distinct layers, or horizons. These horizons are usually distinguished by color differences, but they are also different chemically. The different horizons are given letters to distinguish them. The A horizon is topsoil. It is the most fertile because it has the most organic material that has accumulated from decayed plants and animals. The B horizon is the subsoil. It is lighter in color because it does not contain as much organic material as the topsoil. The C horizon is the parent material, such as sand, gravel, boulders, and rocks from which the soil developed. The bedrock lies underneath the soil. In hilly areas, the bedrock can be close to the surface, or even exposed, but usually it is buried under meters of sediment. There are different classes or textures of soils, depending on the size of the mineral deposits. The three main classes are sand, clay, and silt. Sand has larger particles and allows water to drain away quickly. Clay has small particles which retain water and nutrients. Silt has medium-sized particles. Almost all soils are a combination of different textures. Loam, which combines almost equal amounts of sand, silt, and clay, is considered the best type for growing most plants. The organic material in soils is very important in soil formation because it provides the nutrition that plants need to grow and survive. In the food web, the body of one organism becomes the food for another. Most of the organic material is in the topsoil. It is the habitat for billions of tiny plants and animals that live, grow, reproduce, and die in the soil. Root systems create a rich environment for the growth of microorganisms. Bacteria and fungi put nitrogen into the soil and decompose organic material. Worms, slugs, snails, insects, and burrowing animals mix the soils and allow air to get into the ground. The long-term fertility of soils depends on the amount of organic material it contains and the cycling of nutrients. Without these nutrients, the soil becomes depleted and unproductive. Intense farming methods can create a number of soil problems. Once the natural vegetation is removed, the lack of plant cover and root systems often results in soil erosion and the leaching of nutrients out of the topsoil. Soil depletion occurs when a piece of land is farmed continuously. Each cultivated plant requires nutrients, and each time crops are harvested, a little of this nutrition is removed from the soil. Over time, all of the nutrients are used up. Some farmers replace the loss with organic materials like compost, and this treated liquid waste. But most use chemical fertilizers to replace the nutrition in the soil. Soils are a major natural resource, and it's vital that we protect and improve them.